Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Yeah, Rastafest 2022. It's a long week, one whole week of Rastafest. From Monday to Sunday, starting August 15 to August 21st. We'll be seeing you at Rastafest. So you what? Where we there? Up on Eglinton. Check out Rastafest. Rastafest.Canada for more information on Instagram. Seeing? Alright. That's how we do it. Alright, cool now? Alright, so big up everybody, big up all the subscribers them. You see it, keep it coming, non-stop, and much love, you see it? Alright, honor and respect to everybody. But yeah man, I come out just enough to come talk about this. I want to say big up to all female. I want to big them up. I want to tell the woman them say, on behalf of all men in this world, I apologize for anything where a man did to a female. You see me? But I call them what? The other side of life. You see me? We cannot destroy one side. Alright, we cannot destroy the man them, and we cannot destroy the woman them, because without them we cannot have life. So I just want to apologize to all female in this world and let them know, say, on behalf of all men, and let them know, say, why we love them, and if they can find it in their heart to forgive us for the things we have done. You see me? Big up all the women them. You see me? Much love to all you all. You know, say I love Careface, say, for Uno. You see me? But what I want to say still is, for example, yeah, some man, you know, oh, them very vindictive. Them do things to women because them have powers over them, or what them say, them have the wealth, or they have the money, or they have a car, or something over the female. So them try to use it to conquer and hold her down on a level. You see me? But we say no, we don't do them thing there. We uplift the female them and put them on a high level. You see me? Yeah man. And yeah, some female too, you know. I say a two-sided life. Left and right, whichever them want upon, you know, some seat, left and right side. You have some female now, them seem like some boy. Enough for them heart. I feel really go out there, go destroy man. Yeah. Really like them want destroy man. Them don't want uplift man. See it? Yeah. Some people say black and some people say white, some people, you know what I mean? Me just realize that you have some female. Cause I talk to my brethren and him say, boy, if a Sophian girl stay. But you know what I mean? Regardless, many of us have been scarred, you know what I mean? Especially as man. I tell you the truth, we have been scarred in many ways. And I'm not going to say especially as man, I say especially as black people. Black man, black woman, we have a lot of scars, see? But because we are a people of scars, we should know what the cut feel like. So we shouldn't be trying to cut in people when we know what the cut is feel like. You see me? So me I big up all the woman them and big up all the man them, black especially, and say we love each other, alright? Stop opening the wounds, alright? Close them up and go and live and make we enjoy life and laughter. That's an amazing thing to have laughter. You see me? Yeah. So, as I say again, I don't know if there's any woman who's gonna come out and apologize to man for what woman do. But I apologize to all female in this world. See it? For everything that man ever do to them. And make them know say, Careface, CVP, love you know. You hear me say? And I forgive you know. Alright? And if you don't feel say you don't do nothing, I say go. You see me? I just saw things said. Alright? We know say we do something wrong, and we know say we do something wrong. We not try fight. See it? Two wrong don't make a right. So we have to correct it and make it right and righteous. So as we go from now, I want to big up all the women them in the world and make them know say boy care for your CVP again. Love you know. And we ask for your forgiveness. See it? It's like we're on knees now. No? Some man on knees and ask God for forgiveness. But we don't so I ask the woman them. Say boy, forgive the man them and make we all can live a healthy and beautiful life. Alright? So pick up on yourself, subscribe, like, comment and share here. Yeah, I have to big up all the women them, I don't know. Right now we're up at Western Road and Lawrence. Big up Western Road and Lawrence, I don't know. Yes, I. That's what the thing said. Big up Western Road and Lawrence woman them. Yes. Care for your CVP, so. Access granted. I want the man them to comment in the comment section and tell me what kind of nationality of the woman on the like. You hear me? Put up the comment in the comment section, alright? Yeah! Care for your CVP. Yeah, there are enough women to know when man love them, you know. Yeah man, when you show them love, them don't know what love is. Yes, family. Yeah man. I love we always are sure. I will show them love and them don't know what love is. So some of them never get love from them parents. So when you show them love, them fear it and scare it and don't want it. Yeah man. And enough man stay the same way now, because you know some woman will give them all the love in the world. All everything she give them. And the boy gone around and cheat. To the old girl will never give him nothing family. Trust me. But you don't know how things said sometimes. Some people don't know what's good for them. Yeah man. And that's what I try to show. You know, if you understand and know what's good for you, looking at yourself, see what go on. Hold on there. But that man they not scandal my name. That man they not do this. That man they never beat me. That man they not cheat for me. You know what I mean? And them thing you're looking at when you see them thing there, you realize that who love you from who no love you. You see me? A man where cheat on a woman when no say boy the woman a give him everything and him go cheat or vice versa. A woman where a man a give everything and she go cheat because boy she, you know, one can't satisfy her, you know what I mean? I want to go on her 1V can't satisfy him. I want to go on star. What of the world? The other side. Let me say the left and the right side. The two side of life. This one called the two side of life. Let me say them very hard to understand. You try to understand man, you try to understand woman, and the hardest thing for do. Me I tell you, the two side of life is one of the most confusing thing ever you can ever have out of life, man and woman. Me say, it's one of them I want the same thing, you know, and I go on and I fight for it same way. Yeah man, like yeah, some woman will go on like them a man, you know. Yeah man, I hear some man will go on like them a woman. Same way. Two side of life, may I tell you, it's very confusing. But guess what? Always subscribe. You hear me say? Put up the subscribe number up there. Alright? And if you want, give us something like help us out by, you know what I mean? Give us a little tip. Them say a donation, but we call it a tip. Look in the link below. You see me? To my PayPal. And put a little thing there if you want. Not much, anything you want. Alright? We will appreciate it. And big it up. You see me? Big up on yourself. Much love. Care fierce. CVP. This is a question I want to ask. Can a man actually tell a woman what to do? Or can a woman tell a man what to do? Put up the comment in the comment section, alright? So it's things set. If I big up a woman them, no matter where them there. We love them. But we are tell them say, boy, as I said, we apologize for what man have been doing to female over the years that they didn't like. And I hope somebody will do a video and apologize to man for what women or female have been doing to man through the years. Alright? So Big up on yourself, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Alright? Careface CVP, all the way up there. Up there, up there, up there. We're going. With your help, up there we will be going. Out.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.